Yeah, hello everyone, it's me Master Jay here. So first of all, namaste and thanks to all of you for your love, respect and care. So today I'm here to tell you about my upcoming courses, and as you all know, the yoga teacher training course is going on for the 200 and the 300s and the 500 hours. So if anyone of you want to become a yoga teacher, you can come and you can join with me, and we will take care you in the whole course, me and Master Praveen. And in this course we will teach you more about the asana alignment, the advanced skills, and how you can increase the flexibility level. So all the things will be included in this advanced level course. So rather than this, I am making this video regarding my small courses in the morning batch and the evening one also. So the morning classes will be in the 6:15 am and the evening classes will be at the 4 pm and the 6 pm. So if anyone want to join any class, so you please come and join with me here. I will teach you like how you can lose your weight in the morning batch. So in this special batch I will have one diet plan also, so you can follow that diet plan and you can follow my asanas and the pranayamas also, and I will teach you about the detox also, because in the detox also we have many things from we can increase our strength and we can make our body more strong and more flexible and we can easily lose our weight. So अगर कोई भी आप वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं तो मेरा 1 महीने का, 2 महीने का और 3 महीने के कोर्सेज हैं, आप वो ज्वाइन कीजिए कंटिन्यू and definitely you will get the result. So if you need the details, so here you can find it into the description, and if you have any question regarding this course, so you can message me on my WhatsApp and you can send me email also. All the details I will write it here. So thank you so much guys, and see you into the next video. Hari Om, Namaste, thank you. Yeah.